Okay, Assalamu alaikum class. How are you? Hope you're all fine. Okay, now I have come with another topic that is about how the people of the Indus Valley live. Okay, where their different departments were run. First is script. The people of Indus Valley could read and write. Their mode of writing was very interesting and complicated means difficult. A supreme system of writing was conducted in that period which has 400 symbols. 400 symbols. Merchants, soldiers, and political personality use it. Their mode of writing was very complicated. This consists of 400 symbols. Merchants, soldiers, and political personalities use it. The experts of archaeology department could not find their meaning till now. Certainly, some experts have formed an idea that these scripts consisting of more than one language. Many concerns of this civilization will be hindered until expert does not read the word and the mode of writing of this civilization. This is the writing of 14 words which were made to write the script. Then comes the agriculture. The soil of Indus Valley was very fertile. The dependence of its wealth was upon the trade and agriculture. The people of Indus Valley civilization have very fertile land and the agriculture was very good. The majority of the Indus Valley civilization consisting of farmers who have made the soil fit for cultivation purposes. After cutting the forest, the crops were damaged due to seasonal rains. People retained the water to make banks on rivers for cultivation. If there is any loss with the help of rain, the people of Indus Valley make the effort to make banks on rivers for cultivation. The signs of crops which has been found from the settlement, it is said on this base that the wheat, meals, millet, barley, wedges, peas, and Indian millet, sesame seed, rice, instead mustard seed and cotton were produced. They were third is that they were very peaceful with their other enemies or neighboring countries. They do not fight with anyone, and they believe to live in a negotiation way. The presence of a bull. Cattle were the part of their lives. A large number of the skeletons of bulls have been found in Indus Valley. It shows that it was a common practice to rear the bulls. The bull was the most important animal according to their point of view. They believe in the animals. Their gods are the animals, and their presence believe on it. In which you can see the picture of a bull. The bull was the most important animal according to their point of view. Countless seals were bull pictures and clay toys has been found. The people also used to bull for transportation. Then comes the commercial activities. These are the things. The trade of agricultural crops and minerals has been carried among cities and villages of Indus Valley. Internet trade had been happened by bullock carts. Weights and scales of measurements have been found which are made of stones in cordial shape. Town planning. The town planning was very good. The streets were very civilized in a very managed way. Bathrooms were very good. Paved drains, underground water, town system was very good. Town planning was very good. Then drainage system was very good. Their drainage system is that they you can see the picture that the drainage system they have made the drainage system in a very sequenced way. From these points, you can believe that the people of the Indus Valley civilizations are very much civilized people. Okay, this is the end of the topic of the Indus Valley civilization. I have tried my best to tell you in a very good way, and hope to see you soon. Allah Hafiz.